I think it's got 80 Newton meters of torque. As opposed to your 800.
My wheel nuts go tighter than that. Wait.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to part 5 of our 4-part series on the Jimny bull bar. Now, today, what's on the list?
Replace the top bar.
We are going to replace this. We're going to make it bigger, taller, and greater.
There's a comment on one of our videos that suggested that we make the front
Actually,
bar.
no, it was a comment on Facebook.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Okay. Comment on Facebook that said we should make this a little bit taller, which it wasn't how it was going to be originally, but we decided to put the light bar in between now, not on top, which is why we made it that height in the first place.
So we've just realized that Luke's impact wrench has more torque than the Jimny, so that's a bit sad. Maybe we would just do an engine swap, and instead of having an engine, it'll have an impact driver. I don't know. Just a thought. Just a thought.
Lightweight, baby! Yeah, buddy! Lightweight! Yeah, buddy! Lightweight, baby! Yeah! Lightweight! Oh, this is heavy.
Alrighty, so we've lobbed this off, and now the main man Luke has a new one. So, oh, that's good. That's it, so we're going to tack that on. Yep. Gonna tack that on. I reckon that looks a lot better. Radio guys and girls.
Backing up.
Backing up. And I will see you in 3, 2. Alrighty guys, so I am back at home. And before I get started on any more stuff, I need to go up in the roof because I got some rats to deal with. Sucker on that, rats. Yummy! Now I've got to go back into the garage because Gotta go back in the garage because I think Jake or Jasper probably most definitely stole something because I can hear them running out. See you there. I would like you all to meet my dogs. This is Jasper. He goes alright. This is Jake. Jasper is 6 months old. Jake is a year and 2 months or something like that. But yeah, meet the family and also my wife. But she's not a puppy, she's my wife. Now, you might be thinking, James, how are you going to get these bolts off? Well, let me tell you how I'm going to get these bolts off. I've specifically, precisionally engineered these brackets, where's my spanner, so that the bolts will come out with ease. Now getting it off, it's not easy because you can't fit a, ooh, that'll be right. Ow, hot, 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 hot. Ah, that's hot. Will it make it? Ooh, yes it will. Next up, we're gonna put these little light bars, little floodlight bars. They're gonna stay under here. I have figured it out. I figured out how I'm gonna make a swinging number plate. Alrighty, so look, if you just look here for a moment, this is gonna be welded up. And what's gonna happen is this will allow it to swing up out of the way. Ooh. Yeah. This works. Oh, it's a bit tight. And we're back at Luke's place. That was a bit dramatic.
Yep, the back cave.
Yes,
The back cave.
the back cave. And we have the bull bar here. So you would have just seen me doing all this business, and it is a couple of weeks later.
2 weeks later.
2 weeks later. So what the plan for today is
Finish the welding.
finish the welding,
Start the paint.
start the painting. Montage time. Ooh, so we just eaten some food.
And some chicken, roast chicken.
Oh, roast chicken and bread rolls,
Burger sauce.
mayonnaise, and salad, Rachel. Salad too. Spinach.
Actually, just spinach.
Spinach. So we've got the good, what is it? Iron?
Yeah, I think it's iron.
Iron. Anyway, so follow me. So what we've done is we've cleaned up all the welds. Oh, this will be ground down. So we've just we've done a bit more welding and stuff.
That was welding over the top of stick welding.
Yeah, that was my
So-
fault. So, soz.
Realistically, it would have been a lot easier if we just bought some just non-galvanized pipe, just black pipe.
This is what happens when you have a $1 budget car scraps
Use
build.
offcuts because
Exactly.
that's what you do.
Next on the list is we're gonna sand everything, make it all smooth. We're going to grind everything, make it all smooth. Then we are going to etch prime it. And depending on how quickly that etch primer dries, we'll try and get a coat of black on. And then in the magic of editing, you'll see this bull bar painted
black.
Black!
Alright.
Sick. So,
Finished project. First finished project.
first finished project. Anyway, so Jimny bull bar is finished, and
On to the next project.
on to the next project. What we will say though is, don't make it out of galvanized pipe,
Yes.
because that was the worst. Because you might get gal poisoning.
Don't get galvanized. If you're going to weld galvanized, make sure you're in a very, very well ventilated place.
Yeah. But if you're not homeless, don't get galvanized pipe.
Yep.
Get normal pipe. Easy to paint. Easy to paint. Easy to weld.
Cheaper to paint because you don't have to buy edge primer.
Yeah, cheaper to paint. Just better, really.
Yeah. Well, if you're going to paint it anyway, there's no reason to buy gal pipe.
Exactly right.
Because it's not really going to get worn off. Because you're not in like, unless you're really salty conditions.
Yeah.
Even then,
Like salty at a fish and chip shop.
not finished yet.
Yeah.
Little.
A few little bits and pieces to go, but this is the final product really.
Wait for the winch.
Yeah, winch one day will go in. Needs one more coat of paint. Yeah, needs one more coat of paint. But apart from that, it's pretty good. It's pretty solid.
It's very solid.
I just ran over a whole herd of
Alpacas.
parking cones.
Oh,
Alright, anyway, so thank you. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your friends.
I don't know how many subscribers you up to now?
116.
116. So when we get to 500,
Yes, when
It'll
we get to
be- 500
subscribers, we're going to do some kind of giveaway, so stay posted.
we don't know what that is yet.
I don't know yet. Maybe I'll just give away my car.
Maybe.
I don't think so though. But
Yeah, no.
yeah, so anyway,
Actually, this is project number 1 done, and on to the next one, probably.
so we'll see you next episode.